The correct storage of your lubricants is critical. Your lubricants cannot be expected to perform their job if they are not properly cared for. Two key factors for optimum performance are proper storage and reducing contamination. Ideally, containers should be stored indoors at ambient temperature away from contamination and humidity. An ideal storage temperature range is between 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoiding alternating exposure to heat and cold to prevent potential moisture. Both high heat, greater than 110 degrees Fahrenheit, and extreme cold temperatures, less than 0 degrees Fahrenheit, can affect the stability of the lubricant. If you need to store your lubricants outside, they should be stored in a temporary shelter or lean-to. This will protect the barrels from direct sunlight, rain, and snow. If there's a chance your barrels will be exposed to moisture, barrels should be tipped to direct water and contamination away from the bungs. The bung should be at the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock position. While outdoor storage is sometimes necessary, ideally, drums should be stored indoors on proper storage racks. We recommend several practices to prevent contamination when lubricants have been opened and are in storage. First, drum bung and pail openings should always be closed and sealed tight when not in use. Only use approved transfer containers that are properly labeled and dedicated for use of one lubricant. Do not transfer multiple lubricants using the same container. Secondary oil transfer containers should be kept sealed and properly labeled for their specific lubricant. Drum pumps should also be dedicated to a specific lubricant and properly labeled. You should never use a drum pump for the dispensing of multiple lubricants. Grease guns should be labeled and color-coded to a specific grease product. Remember, cross-contamination and the mixing of fluids can cause catastrophic equipment failure. Proper application of the lubricants is vital to the performance of your machinery. That's why a lubricant identification system similar to JAX Lube Guard is recommended in every plant. To begin, your plant should be audited with your JAX lubricant representative to identify and review all lubricants used in your plant. When the audit is complete, JAX will ship all necessary materials to your plant. One of these materials is the Lube Guard wall chart. It should be displayed for easy identification of all lubricants used in your plant. The wall chart includes JAX lubricant, NSF information, and application information. Each lubricant is assigned a color to coordinate with equipment, along with matching tags and container labels. The wall charts are laminated and ready for display in your plant. Lubrication tags should be attached to all equipment. These tags are durable, color-coded, and identify which lubricants should be used in that machinery. Coordinating color-coded and labeled transfer containers should be used to ensure proper lubricant application. Also available are color-coded grease guns and color-coded Zerk fittings. The last important step is to have a Lube Book that contains a copy of the wall chart, product specs, NSF letters, and MSDSs for all lubes used in your plant. This book ensures all information is at hand for routine plant inspections. A lubricant identification system like the JAX Lube Guard program is a critical component of your plant's maintenance program, and it's easy to implement. Ask your JAX representative how you can get started today.